How to turn on dark mode on TikTok. First, go ahead and open TikTok on your phone. Now go to your profile that is on the bottom right corner. After that, you're going to tap on three horizontal lines on the top right corner, then tap on Settings and Privacy. Here you need to scroll down and tap on Display. So here is the place where you can turn on dark mode. If you tap on dark, it will be on dark mode, and if you put in light, it'll be light mode. And if you turn on this toggle button, the TikTok will use the mode that is used in your phone. If the mode is dark in my phone, it will be dark, and if the mode is light on my phone, it will be light. So you can either put it to light mode, dark mode, or use the system that is used on device. And that is how you can turn on dark mode on TikTok. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.